Take a moment to get comfortable. Close your eyes if that feels safe. Inhale gently and exhale slowly. Let's take this time to reconnect with your sense of value and trust in yourself. You've been searching for a new opportunity, maybe something remote, something flexible, and then it happens. A recruiter reaches out. The company sounds familiar, or maybe it's a startup with a sleek website. They're impressed by your resume. They move fast. There's no interview, or just one brief chat. You're offered the job. Maybe they ask you to buy your own equipment, or send your social security number, or connect to your bank for direct deposit. They may even send a check and ask you to buy software from a third party. This, dear listener, is the shape of a job offer scam. It looks professional, it feels flattering, but it's not real. Scammers have learned how to impersonate recruiters. They create fake job listings and company pages. They take advantage of your hope, your excitement, even your need. Breathe in again, and let that breath go. Now, let's root ourselves in clarity. Tips to stay safe. A real job offer almost always involves a structured interview process. If it feels too fast or too easy, pause. Check the sender's email address. Is it from a personal Gmail or Yahoo account instead of a company domain? Research the company independently. Visit their website. Look up the recruiter's name on LinkedIn. Don't send personal documents like your social security number, driver's license, or bank info before verifying the company's legitimacy. Never deposit a check and send money to someone else. Fake check scams are a common part of job fraud. And if something feels off, trust that feeling. Take a break. Ask a friend. Ask yourself, would a real company ask me this? If you've already shared information, there are still steps you can take. Contact your bank. Report the incident to the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov. Consider placing a fraud alert or credit freeze on your credit file. You are not alone. You are not foolish. Scammers are skilled at targeting smart, capable people, just like you. Take one more breath, slow and deep. Feel your worth. Let that awareness settle in your chest. You are strong, you are wise, you deserve real opportunities, real recognition, and they will come.